Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your harvest time tracking software. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you link or connect your Stripe account to your harvest account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Stripe account to your harvest account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business or maybe you're a freelancer, you know that by connecting your Stripe account to your harvest, your clients can go ahead and click and pay with a credit card. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your harvest account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my harvest account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Stripe account, you need to click on settings here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down menu and you want to click on this button here called integrations. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all the different integrations, but you want to scroll down until you see the Stripe logo right here under finance and payments. If you don't see it for some reason, don't worry, just scroll to the top and click in the search bar and just type in Stripe, and then enter, and it should pop up right here. And next, what you want to do is click on connect. Okay, next you do need to enter in the email address that you have associated with your Stripe account. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that information in off screen. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on submit. Okay, now Stripe is asking me to go ahead and enter in my password that I have on my Stripe account, not my harvest account. Okay, I entered that in. I'm going to click on submit. Okay, Stripe sent me a text message to verify that it's me that's trying to connect my Stripe to my harvest. So I'm going to grab that 6-digit code and enter it in here. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose the account that you want to associate with your harvest account. For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one, and then I'm going to click on create. Okay, because you're going to be accepting credit cards in your harvest, Stripe does require you to enter in some private information to verify that your real business is going to be accepting credit cards. So first you want to go ahead and enter in your website here and then click on continue. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. This is something new. They're asking me to donate to something called Stripe Climate, a percentage. You can do that if you want. I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to click on no thanks. Okay, next they're going to go ahead and show you all of your private information like your name, your mailing address, your banking information. So just scroll through it, make sure everything's correct. If so, go ahead and click on agree and submit. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes and you're going to see this little green pop-up successfully connected to Stripe. So now I can go ahead and receive credit card payments into my harvest account using my Stripe account. And they also ask you if you want to go ahead and enable ACH payments. So that's going to be kind of like a wire transfer, but it's local and they charge $5 per transaction. You can do that if you want. I'm not going to do that. So let me cancel out of that. Okay, a quick second just brings me back here to my integrations. So now my customers can go ahead and click on my invoice and pay via credit card. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to connect your Stripe account to your harvest account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.